What's good, YouTube? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm sharing with you a gem of a model, the model that is getting most of my Discord members funded, and I'm sharing it with you guys for free as well. Okay, so you saw how many funded guys are now in the Discord this week, and you saw also some of them getting payouts. Okay, so this is the secret. Okay, so we have been using a model, right? So we need higher time frame FEGs, and then we want some kind of SSMT at actually those FVGs, and then we look for a CSD. This is really, really easy, right? So this is like the easiest, simplest way of approaching quarterly theory ever, okay? So for the daily FVG, so let's say you want to trade a daily FVG, okay? So you'd want a weekly cycle SSMT, right? And then H1 CSD, okay? So you read the weekly cycle on H1, right? So the SSMT should happen with on H1, and then you have a CSD, okay? You will understand when I guys let you know about it, okay? So for an H6 or an H4 fair value gap, you need a daily cycle on it, okay? So daily cycle is readable M15, and so you need the M15 CSD, all right? So for an H1 or M19 FVG, you need a 90-minute cycle SSMT and M5 CSD, and for the M15, actually micro cycle SSMT, you will need a M1 CSD, okay? So let's give you an example that is live now, okay? So go into the H6, right? Go into the H6, right? We have an H6 fair value gap at yesterday's close, okay? So when just 2 days opened, right? And this is something crazy in my indicator suit, right? We have something that predicts the bias, right? So this is crazy, right? So if bullish, we buy Asia, right? So I was like, okay, something will happen here, okay? So let's go now. We have a M5 or a H6 FVG, so we need an M15 FVG, okay? So go into the M15, right? Again, the indicator, the other one, the SSMT Pro, will give you in auto mode the SSMT you need, and this is now the CSD, okay? So a closure above, you buy any kind of retracement to any kind of fair value gap, and here is the trade, okay? So if you don't have actually by the way, this is a new indicator, and this give us the golden zones, right? So the quarter sequence zones where trading will be high probability, okay? So if you go to this zone, you will see a high produced, right? So this is not random. This is crazy stuff, and now I made it all possible to predict, okay? So this is the crazy stuff we have in the indicator suite, okay? But let's say you don't have it, okay? Let's say you don't have it, okay? Let me show you a way you can do it. So you go and add actually a, let's delete my indicator, quarter sequence pro. Okay. So you are here, right? Okay, so you are here. You try to activate here these microcycles because they are not activated, okay? So for this H6 SSMT, right, you'd want a sequential SMT, okay? So doing it manually, right? So you need to compare actually the assets, okay? So we need to compare YM and everything, okay? So you can see that this candle opened here, right? And let's play price, wait for some kind of SSMT to happen. Okay, all right, so Right, so it happened actually just right here, okay? So this is why manually is really hard, right? So it happened here, right? So you'd wait for this CSD to happen. So there is SSMT here, right? And you wait for this CSD, okay? Right? So the moment you got this CSD, you enter, okay? So it is a bit harder with these indicators, right? With doing it manually, because look at the SSMT Pro, right? We have a okay? So it just gives you the SSMT to trade, right? And you just take it, and you can also look at this crazy, guys. You can have 5 or 6 assets to compare, right? So it's the best way you have to, or if you want to spot intermarket SSMTs for the quarter sequence trades, okay? Right, so this is an example for an H6, and this is a live example. And although price is very rangy today, the trade was crazy good, okay? Now, let's go back to yesterday, and we actually had a at New York Open. Where is New York Open? Was it yesterday? Yeah. Where's 950? Yeah. So we had this M15 fair value gap yesterday here, guys. Right. So we needed a M1 sequential SMT, and the good book indicator yesterday was calling for longs in New York, right? So this is really, really crazy, right? And also, I deleted it. We also had a golden zone for price, okay? So the golden zones are quarter sequences, right? So when the quarters align, the indicator spots them automatically and send you alerts, okay? So finally cracked it, right? And made it into a indicator, and now it's just changing the game for us, okay? So let's turn in the SSMT Pro, okay? Right? So as you can see, an SSMT happened at the fair value gap, okay? So with YM as well, but I remember, to be 100% honest with you guys, I think we had this one first, the CSD that failed first, exactly. But we kind of knew how it failed, right? In the private group, we had some crazy orders in here at the bookmap, right? And also we didn't inverse or create a fair value gap. So this was not something we took, right? So when this happened, right, we inversed this fair value gap, right? But still we didn't take anything. And then we had this fair value gap, right? So this was a little scalp I took yesterday. And this one, I tried to take this one as well. So as you can see, M15 FVG, bullish microcycle TPH, okay? So you could have taken this one, right? But if you take a stop loss, you re-enter again, and you'd be positive, especially if you target 3 hours or something like that, okay? So let's go to a perfect example, okay? And this example was kinda crazy, okay? So we had here, look at this. This is a daily fair value gap example, by the way, that happened, right? So we had this one, okay? Now, going to H1, right? We need the SSMT to happen on H1, right? Let me please give... All right. So let's delete the free indicator. So now you know how to spot things manually, right? So look at this, guys. We had the quarter sequence zone. So we knew, or I knew at the time, I didn't release this information, but this is new. So I knew that at the time that this was my spot, right? And bada bing, bada boom. Daily fair value gap, SSMT, right? Short this baby, right? So this is why this trade was crazy. It's because it happened in this spot, all right? And also the good book this day was calling for shorts, right? I can't activate it because it don't work in replay mode because it does some magic stuff to just give you the bias, all right? So guys, this is the free model, right? I was trading it way before I had these indicators, okay? And you can trade it as well without indicators, all right? But if you want to join, the link is in the description, right? It also comes with the Zero to Hero mentorship. The mentorship, by the way, is worth thousands of dollars. I the sauce in the mentorship, guys. It's Illuminati level sauce, right? You will not believe your eyes with the precisions you will start to get, okay? So this is actually how stuff work, okay? The SSMT Pro is totally customizable. So for example, if you don't like the colors of these lines, you want to make them um, less transparent or another color, right? You can do just that. It will happen now, right? So they will be right. So you see, everything is customizable. Even these lines, right? Everything is customizable. You can also customize the offset, how how the space between these SSMT and everything. Like you can keep only the text or delete everything at once, right? So guys, I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. If you're not joining us in this QT adventure, I will call it, you are missing out ton, right? Tons of stuff, right? So look at this going from the H6 FVG and look at this good book prediction, right? So look at this, by Asia, right? Exactly at 18 we printed this candle, right? All right, guys. That's all for today's video, guys. I'll try to actually see you in the next one, okay? Ciao, ciao.